By definition, digital transformation is all about IT change, cloud, mobile, data center consolidation, SD-WAN. Your company is spending millions on IT change initiatives, all with the goal of improving service and business outcomes. But how do you know those investments are paying off? The fact is, you don't, unless you're measuring the impact of change on the digital experience of your customers and workforce. Steel Central helps you do just that. Whether you look after apps, infrastructure, or devices, Steel Central enables you to compare end-user experience of any type of application before and after a change. This is not predictive analysis, this is real objective data, which app owners can use to verify that changes or upgrades actually result in better service for their customers. With Steel Central, you can assess business activity volumes and response times relative to SLA targets before and after a change. These response times, as seen by the end user, help quantify the impact of the change by location, target server, device type, or browser. In this example, we can see that 2 activities are slower after the change and 2 activities are faster after the change, so it might not be a good idea to roll this change out more extensively. Only Steel Central enables IT to validate the impact of change by measuring actual end-user experience for every type of app in the enterprise portfolio: web, cloud, mobile, or thick client. Steel Central provides the insight you need to ensure your digital transformation initiatives deliver the results you expect. With Steel Central Digital Experience Management, you get integrated visibility from the end user's device to the application backend down to the line of code. With Steel Central, you can monitor the digital experience of your customers, workforce, partners, and suppliers. Steel Central provides the analytics that IT and the business need to ensure agility and efficiency for your digital business. For more information, visit riverbed.com/try-eternity. Stay tuned, and the next video in the series will automatically start playing.